Hi, did you grow up with a lot of sinusitis, sinus congestion, infection, or tonsillitis, sore throat, as well as a lot of postnasal drippage, earaches, ears always feel full? I mean, the whole area always felt congested. I certainly did. Hi, this is Amir, author of Rapid Recovery from Back and Neck Pain, and I understand how it was back then and how as an adult also some of these symptoms can continue. In fact, when I was 40 years old, I had to take both my tonsils out because I still had a lot of issues with these. Now, of course, throughout this time, I took a lot of antibiotics, I took Mucinex, I took Sudafed, you name it, I took it. But I also looked for the root cause. I also looked for better solutions. I look into Ayurvedic medicine because they emphasize a lot on the importance of taking care of your lymphatic system, because if the lymphatic system, which is the sewer system in your body, if it's sluggish, if the flow isn't good, if it doesn't drain well, you get all of the mucus backing up here. So there are herbs like mangista or dandelion, as well as certain massages you can give to try to drain all this mucus. And all of those kind of helped, but it wasn't fully taking care of the problem. I also always wondered, why do I have this? What's the source of this? When I read Medical Medium Liver Rescue, I learned that when the liver is overburdened with toxins, with pathogens, with heavy metals, with lack of nutrition because it just isn't getting the glucose it needs from fruits and vegetables, when that happens, it dumps some of what it can handle into the lymphatic system. Now, following a simple protocol, as you can see on the screen, with lemon water, celery juice, eating a lot of fruits and vegetables without protein or fat, because those can hinder its absorption through the liver, my liver started to come to life and it started to cleanse itself and it started to work better. As it worked better, my fatty liver went away, my insomnia went away, I lost 12 pounds, as well as my lymphatic system started to drain properly. Once that started to happen, all the mucus I always kept feeling in the back of my throat started to go away. Any issues I had with my lymphatic system start to get better. And actually, I just wake up feeling great in the mornings because I don't have all of this congestion and stuff that was going on all these years. And again, I've done all kinds of alternative medicine options, from Ayurvedic to herbs to Chinese medicine, trying to see what would work best for this. And honestly, cleansing my liver, following the liver rescue plan, had been the best option. So if you deal a lot with sinus issues, with your tonsils, with just postnasal drippage or congested or anything like that, I highly recommend watch the video I did before on how I cleansed and took care of my fatty liver and recovered from all of these other symptoms within 2 months, and also the other videos I've done, which answers the 10 most common questions I ask about my experience, as well as why do we get a fatty liver. I hope this information was helpful to you, and I will see you in the next video.